Our advanced automation at our state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery manufacturing facility is powering tomorrow's world with unmatched precision, efficiency, and scalability. Our modern robotic technology creates a superior lithium-ion battery pack unlike any other, and twice as fast. It starts with our cutting-edge build process. Every intricate component is constructed with precise accuracy, traveling first to assembly, then traceability, next gluing and curing, and then to vision inspection. All via our state-of-the-art robotic process. The components then transfer to the flipping station, improved laser cleaning, and wire bonding, all before the final end-of-line quality testing, resulting in a high-performance battery every single time. With a new part built every 22.5 seconds, our advanced automation process not only builds more accurately and efficiently, it's designed to produce a safer, more cost-effective, better-performing battery pack for countless applications. All Vanguard batteries include an integrated battery management system and die-cast aluminum enclosure for ultimate performance and longevity. Designed and assembled in the USA, with a strong global service and support network, Vanguard is leading the charge in commercial batteries. Vanguard Advanced Automation, delivering the innovation that powers your applications.